Here I begin by drawing a design in pencil. Keep the design simple using blocks and shapes and lines. The lino blades come in lots of different sizes. Unscrew the cap of the handle and place the blade firmly inside. And then tighten it back up to make sure everything is secure. Here I'm putting my hand that's holding the block behind the blade to stop myself from cutting my fingers. I'm beginning to sort of carve into the block using some gentle pressure. You don't need to carve too deeply. Here I'm cutting the outline of the shape and then carving into the middle. This actually stops you from over carving the shape and keeping within the lines. The areas that you're carving out will be white or the paper colour, as the ink won't stick to these areas when you roll out your lino block. I'm trying to vary the types of line when I'm carving. Here I'm doing a sort of simple outline of a leaf and preparing the sort of branch of the tree. Here I'm using a smaller blade. This is to carve out the finer details for my drawing. Rolling out your ink, you will need a plastic tray or a sheet of acrylic. Squeeze out about a 10p coin sized blob of ink onto the tray. The ink can be quite sticky, so roll it out into a smooth layer approximately 10 cm by 15. This allows you to apply an even layer of ink onto your lino block. Pay attention to the edges and make sure that the ink is even all across your block. Place a sheet over your block and smooth it out with your hand. You can also burnish it with the back of a spoon to get a really good ink transfer. Carefully peel back the paper to reveal your print. You can repeat this process over and over again as many times as you like.